VoodooDE.
What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality, and here is the next unboxing. I got my pre-ordered Oculus Rift S. So I got it a little bit later because I didn't order it on Amazon, I ordered it on Oculus.com in the store, and that was one day later. So however, now we have it here, and yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks the same quality than with the Quest as expected, and here we have the cool logo, and on the other side we have the features of the headset, high performance, superior graphics, precision tracking, and also some example games, Stormlands and Asgard's Wrath. I'm not sure, I think they are not available yet. Why do they list it here? I have no idea. However, let's unbox it. Awesome. Oh, that doesn't fit here. Okay. I already unboxed it on my German channel, so I know what's inside here, but I will show you as well. Look at this. So this is not really much. We have a little package here, the two controllers and the headset. So that's it. Let's check it out, guys. So let's first open this small package here. And we have it happened on my German channel as well. This thing is always falling out. So here are two batteries for the two controllers. Each of the controllers need one battery, and here's a little adapter. It goes for display port to mini display port. Really cool. And then we have this is a quick guide what we have to do. So it says, what's the headset, the buttons of the controllers, comfort and fit, and care of the headset. It's on French and on English. This is strange because I ordered that in Germany. Oh, here's it. Yeah, here's in Germany. It's a little bit confusing, but and then we have a safety and warranty manual. So yes. Let's put it back. No, let's not put it back. We have no time for this. So here are the two controllers, and if you already checked out my unboxing of the Oculus-Quest, then you already know these controllers. So these are exactly the same. I think you can even use them for the Oculus-Quest. I will try that. And yeah, we have the hand straps here. We have the two grip buttons as well. We have the X, Y, A, B. Then the thumbstick, we can also push the thumbstick, the trigger buttons, the menu button and the Oculus button. And yeah, we can open the controller here. It's attached with a magnet, and we can insert the battery here. So here's the same disadvantage, because the magnet is not really strong. So perhaps if you play Beat Saber and something like that, and then you will perhaps lose it during gameplay. I had this problem on my sessions at PAX East. So let's check out the headset. So okay, put it on the floor here. Here is the headset. So I will just open that thing. I didn't open it on my German channel, but now I can do that. So this is the cable. So here we have display port and USB 3. So yeah, we have this little adapter here, so we can put it here, and then it goes to mini display port. Really interesting. Really cool that they put an adapter. So the cable is 5 meters, and here we have the Oculus Rift S. So as you already perhaps know, we have 5 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this camera here is unique. There's no other headset on this planet that has a camera on the upside. Perhaps you know the HTC Vive Cosmos, and this has 4 cameras, but not this one on the top. So we have the best inside-out tracking with this headset here. It's not as good as lighthouse tracking, but it's the best inside-out tracking. Yeah, on the front we have this little reflecting stripe here, and in the middle there is an LED. It says when the Oculus Rift S is turned on. Here on the bottom, here we see a big disadvantage of the Oculus Rift S. There is no IPD slider like we know it from the Oculus-Quest. So you cannot choose the distance between the lenses. It has only software IPD, and this is perhaps a problem for some people. However, we have this button here, and here we can adjust the distance between the eyes and the lenses, and this is not available on the Oculus-Quest. So we can wear much bigger glasses with the Oculus Rift S. Here's the microphone as well. And on the left side we have the audio jack. On the Quest we have the audio jack on both sides. On the Rift S there's only on the left side. Here goes the cable in, and you can pull the cable out. You can replace the cable if you like. And yeah, that's it. Here we have the halo ring, and we can remove every single part. Look at this. You can remove it, put it back on the other side as well. Here's the head strap with the Velcro on the top. This headset is very, very comfortable, guys. And here we have this ring where we can loose or tighten it. Look at this. And here we have the lenses. They are the same than the Oculus Quest, same size and stuff. And we can remove the whole face cover. Look at this. We can replace that. We cannot remove this part. It doesn't work. It's attached here. We have to replace the whole part. And yeah, here we have the lenses. Here's a little slider, and there we can I don't want to do that, to be honest now, but because I never did it, and I don't want to do something wrong now before I even used it. Here we have the rubber on the nose, and there is no light leakage for the Oculus Rift S. For the Quest there is a little bit light leakage, but with this rubber there is no light leakage. This is really cool. So yeah, here we can also see the sound. This is a good sign that there will be some accessories later. So there will be leather stuff here, and also there are some rumors about this. That there will be an external headphones accessories and stuff. So guys, this is interesting. This is the Oculus Rift S, and if you didn't already see my review about this headset, I already had very much time with this headset, so the review is shown now in the info cards, so go there if you want to see the review. And if you like to support me, you can do this via Patreon. Here I want to thank my official Patreon supporter, the VoodooDE VR. Thank you so much. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, and there will be much more content with the Oculus Quest and with the Oculus Rift S and all other headsets on this planet on my channel. So if you didn't subscribe, do this, and I promise you, you will not regret it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE